Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is The World of Technology is here. Today I will tell you how to edit photo with Photoshop CS6 extended version. So let's begin. Click on File tab or for shortcut click Ctrl plus N. Select a name for your project. My project is thumbnail 4 as it is my fourth video. The width will be 2048 and height will be 1152. Click and the present will be custom and click on OK option. This A4 size sheet in landscape orientation will present. Copy the photo that you have. Paste the photo that you have copied by clicking Ctrl plus V. I have pasted my copy. You can make a size bigger and smaller of the photo by on the first option, so transform controls. I am making the size bigger and click on the first option and click on apply. Now my photo has become bigger. Now I will add a text by clicking on this option, this one below the pen option. Click here and write a text. I am writing how to edit to edit. You can make a size bigger by selecting this text. By shift plus left arrow and click on this 12 pt to 72 pt. This like this. How to edit pictures with Photoshop. Just a minute. You can also make a text smaller by size 48 pt and the font will be bold and the text will be like temperature and edit picture with Photoshop extended and you will add another text line here. By press enter. Next line. So hello Photoshop extended CS6 version. You can make this bold. Oh no. It will be not regular, it will be bold. Bold. How to edit pictures with Photoshop CS6 extended version. I will also make the second line bold. Extended version. Good. And I will move this text in the middle. And I will add a text. I will add a text at the bottom. By the world of technology is HERE here. And I can also turn off this underline part by click on the option Control U. Oh, it is not working. Just a minute. You can also do like this. Write the text here and change the alignment like in the alignment like here, and it will be Tempest Sans ITC, and I will make the text bigger. Photoshop CS6 extended version. So I will make the text upper. So my photo is edited. So thanks for watching. Like my video, share my video and comment, and subscribe my channel also.